Hello guys and welcome to Vlogging Project. It's Tony here, your favorite YouTuber. Today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and sort of first impressions of the Oppo A5 2020. And in case you're thinking, hey Tony, wait a minute, it's 2021 now. Why are you reviewing a phone from 2020 which was actually released in October 2019, guys, which means that this phone is a year and a half old now? Well, the simple answer to that question is this is the cheapest Oppo phone you can buy on the UK market. Currently it retails about just £100. I think in Argos is the cheapest price, or of course the Amazon. I'm gonna find and put a link in the description down below. Now, I bought the phone a few months ago and it came bundled with the Oppo Enco W11 earbuds, Bluetooth earbuds. I think I paid about 120, something like that. But anyways, guys, for £100 there is no better phone you can buy. Let me go through the specifications and then I'm going to take it out of the box. So first of all, what we see from the box is that we've got a teardrop notch, which is okay, rear mounted fingerprint reader, which is fine, and check this out, guys, 3 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. Now I'm a little bit worried about the 3 gigs of RAM. That probably means no multitasking whatsoever, and I really like how they made it, in gold over here. It's like it's something nice, which of course it isn't. And at the back of the box we can see some of these specifications. Again, 64 gigs of storage with dedicated memory card slot. Over here, what do we have? Snapdragon 665. This is good, guys, this is very good. 5000 milliamp hours of battery. I'm expecting to reach about 10 hours of screen on time. Dual speakers, which is very good. And what's missing over here is the not so good stuff, like the screen. 6.5 inch 720p screen, guys. Android 9 out of the box. They say quad cameras and ultra wide, which well, the specifications are a little bit funky. We've got a 12 megapixel main camera, which is okay, 8 megapixel super wide angle, which is, well, not very good, to be honest with you. 8 megapixel is the bare minimum, and two megapixel depth sensors, which are basically useless pretty much. And we've got a selfie camera of 8 megapixels, pretty much the same resolution as the Xperia 1 Mark II. But anyways, guys, let's start with the unboxing experience over here. Let's see what do we have. I think I got the white color. We are about to see how nice and shiny it is. Plastic frame, plastic back cover. I'm not too worried about that because I think it has a case in the box. So let's see. All right, what's going on over here? The box is really nice and snug. All right, come on. Okay, I ate my spinach this morning, so it should be strong enough. Check this out, guys. I really like this Oppo logo over here. Multicolored logo. And yes, SIM-PIN 2, some instructions, and a case. Really nice addition, guys. This case, the price of that case, let me tell you something. There's a website, I'm buying some cheap Chinese stuff from it. Cases like that cost 50 pence, guys. If you go on eBay or any other website, prepare to spend anywhere from £3 to £10 for a case like that. But including this in the box, it's very nice. It saves you the hassle of looking for a case, buying one, this and that. So what else do we have, guys, over here? Okay, let me do it the easy way. Oh man, check this out. Absolutely beautiful, guys. I'm just gonna leave it on the side for a sec to see what else is in the box. We've got a power brick. Let me just quickly see. Okay, 10 watts. So 10 watts of charging means very slow charging, and considering we've got a 5000 milliamp hours of battery, I'm expecting 2.5 hours of charging time. I haven't calculated that, but due to experience, I've reviewed over 100 phones on my channel. That's what I'm expecting. We've got a nice white cable and Apple style buds over here, which again is nice. How many budget devices have headphones in the box? The answer is not many. I'm just going to check this on the side like that, and check this out. This is our phone over here. Really nice, guys. I'm really pleased from what I see. Let's get this baby out. Haha, I'm just gonna power it on. I like it. I like it. Check this out, guys. This is absolutely crazy color over here. I really like it. It's plastic, but man, it's so solid. Then you can actually get fooled that that's glass, to be honest with you. The frame is kind of champagne color. I know you can't see because of the boosted highlights of the phone. I'm filming with the LG V60, by the way. RIP LG. But check this out, guys. This is really nice. Okay, let me see United States. I'm going to set this one, set up this one a little bit later on. But what I'm going to talk about now is the competition. So Oppo's own brand Realme, check this out. The 6i is the previous model. Again, is very cheap, about 120 or maybe 100 pounds. Now I'm just going to remove that knife because you can see these battle scars over here. And most importantly, the OnePlus Nord N100, guys. This retails for over 130 pounds and it's rocking the Snapdragon 430 SoC. Absolutely unacceptable. A review coming very soon, but the main competition is actually between those two phones. So let me know in the description down below. Would you like to see a full, detailed comparison between those two phones, or you're just interested in the speed test between the Snapdragon 430 and the 665? I had a few devices with the 665, although not brilliant. I would take it any day against the 430 over here, especially considering we've got a 720p screens, guys. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Ask me anything in the description down below. I reply to anybody, even the trolls. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and of course for subscribing to Volokinproject. It's Tony here, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Thanks again. See ya later.